Go to the topic. Now they created AWS client host at DevOps priority stock YAML, and its stock name must be DevOps priority stock, and it should create the following resources: two SQS queues named high and low priority queue, SNS named, and lambda function name will be created in the YAML file. So before that, we have created the YAML file in CLI. Now they have already the index.python file only, they are already available. So we have created the stock file. Type the stock file name priority stock. Give the extension YAML file. Check the name before the enter DevOps priority stock YAML. Now we are creating the file. Insert the command. We already know YAML file is already created, and I have pasted in the description. You can find in the description, and only change the name of the content as per your task. Now I have pasted. I have pasted. This is the YAML file. This is cloud formation template. I will share you in the description. Now we go to change. I will tell you where you can change the names. Queue names must be changed. DevOps High-Priority-Queue we have provided. You can provide based on your task. Only this name only change in the cloud formation template. You can copy and paste it as per the template. Now you can replace cloud DevOps low priority as unprovided DevOps priority queues topics as they are provided. And also, another thing is changing for DevOps priorities queue function. We are changing in lambda function rule. You can change in lambda function. You can change your lambda name. In function name, the function name should be as per your task. You need to change the function name as per task. Only 4 names only you can change in the cloud formation template. After you have changed your bucket name as it is your login ID, because we need to log in. We need to log in CLI so that the name should be match as per your login ID, we change the name as per your ID because we have copy the bucket in the next task. So the bucket name we need to remember. So only I have provide the bucket name. Now you can save and leave it. Escape :WQ for save the file. Now the file was saved. After we have list out the file is created or not. Here the file also created in the CL account, in the root directory. Now we have move bucket to the no the bucket name. I need to create bucket, make bucket to give the bucket name as per your YAML file. What you are provided in cloud formation, can give the same name in the bucket name when you are creating the bucket. Lab user name number should be same as per your login ID. So they have provided the same name. Now bucket will be created. Now list out the name. We have the file already we are given in the YAML file, cloud formation. File name to copy zip to index.py. Okay. Now list the file. We need to copy the S3 bucket. Function code, logic, S3 bucket name, the file is copied to the bucket. And after we have now we have list the bucket name in the bucket. It will be list out our bucket. That's the bucket. You can see the file is uploaded to the bucket. Now we have created the stack, AWS Cloud Formation, create stack, under index.py. So create stack, stack name, execution, copy the stock name, and you can change, paste it. And template, we need to give the directory name. Into give capital letters, give enter. We need to get the correct format and cavity name. We need to check the file. We need to give the correct value minus high, minus low, and minus reference. We need to give correct value before the statements. Minus effect. Then check before the bucket name should be same as it is you have given. Everything is fine. You can give the file. Now run the command. Go to the cloud formation. We need to create the cloud formation file. You can see here cloud formation is created. Now the stack was created. You can go to Lambda function. Check the Lambda function. Lambda function also created. Disk the task.